Model, 2018 Plate Ford Transit Custom 270 Limited METALIC Blue starts runs needs turbo. Body, blue, panel van. Mileage, 133342. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 Tdci 130 psa. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. DPF light on the dash. Engine and running gear are perfect. Straightforward turbo replacement job. Will be an absolute bargain with no VAT to pay. Grin. Condition summary. Bodywork is indecent. Average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent. Average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent. Average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, cruise control,